Hi everyone, this is Sugantha, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Full Stack Web Development, Dr.S.Sugantha College of Arts and Science. This presentation is about the topic Software Project Management. So we will discuss about the design thinking prototype stage. The prototype stage is a crucial phase in design thinking process where abstract ideas are converted into practical and testable models. A prototype is an early version of a software system. It allows developers and stakeholders to visualize the solution, test functionalities, identify the issues very early. So connection to the project management. This slide emphasizes managing resources, timelines, building and testing solutions. This indicates that even the prototype stage, the resource management, time management, quality management and risk management. It reduces development risk, improves requirement clarity, saves cost in later stages. So next we will discuss about the software management project concept. So this slide presents the core functional foundation of software project management. So using visual icons. So first is principles of software management. It refers to structured methodologies like waterfall and agile model. It ensures systematic development. Next is efficient project objectives. It clearly defines goals. So example, deliver secure banking software, ensures faster performance. Next, third, it focuses on time, cost, scope and quality. This is the heart of the project management, that is time, deadline, cost, that is budget, scope, futures, quality, performance and reliability. So these are interdependent. So it increases the scope, increases the cost and time, reduces the time. So it ensures a successful delivery of the project. Next is the project planning. Project planning is the first and most crucial phase of a software development. So first it defines the project goals and scope. In the project goals and scope, we have to define what the project aims to achieve. We have to define the system boundaries. For example, online shopping system which includes login, payment, card, etc. So next is identifies resources and tasks. Resources like human, developer and tester. So technical resources like tools and hardware. So the task involved is designing, coding and testing. So next it creates schedules and milestones. So schedule is nothing but it's a timeline of activity. So milestone is a key checkpoints of every project. Example, week 1 we may go for requirement analysis, week 2 we can go for design and week 3 we can go for coding. Next is the estimate cost and effort. So cost is the financial estimation of a particular project. Effort, it is a time and manpower required for completing the project. So next is the scope management. Scope management ensures that the project includes only required work and nothing extra. So it defines project boundaries. It specifies what is included and what is excluded. Next is identifiable deliverables. So it is nothing but it is the output of a project which includes software modules, projects and documentation. Next is the control requirement changes. So changes requests may be evaluated or approved. Next, it prevents scope creep. So scope creep is equal to uncontrolled addition of features. Example, adding new features during development without planning. Next is the time management. The time management ensures that the project is completed within the scheduled in time frame. Task sequencing, it arranges the task in a logical order. Next is scheduling, assigning time to each activity. So next is milestones and deadlines. In the milestone, we have to check the checkpoints for every project deadlines. Next is the deadline. It is nothing but the completion dates of a particular project. Next is identifying the critical path. It is a longer sequence of tasks. It determines the minimum project duration. Next is monitoring process. It is the task completion. It identifies the delay very early. Next is the cost management. Cost management deals with budget planning and financial control. In the cost estimation, we have to predict the total cost of the entire project. Next is budgeting. In the budgeting, we are going to allocate funds for development, tools and infrastructure. Next is the cost control. In the cost control, we are going for monitor spending and avoid budget overruns. So example, developer salary, software licenses and cloud hosting. Next is the quality management. Quality management ensures that the software meets required standards and user expectation. So it ensures software meets standards following coding and design standards. Next is focus on defect prevention. It avoids errors earlier than fixing later. Next, it includes testing and reviews. It includes unit testing, integration testing, and code reviews. Next is it improves the customer satisfaction. So that is, we have a reliable and efficient system. Next is the risk management. In the risk management, we have to identify the risk. Next, we have to analyze the risk. We have to prioritize the risk. We have to develop strategies. We have to implement strategies. Next is the resource management. Resource management ensures efficient use of human and technical resources. It is going to allocate the human resource. It is going to manage tools and infrastructure, optimize resource usage. So develops team skills. So next is the communication team. Communication is essential for coordination and collaboration within a software project. So communication, we are going to share the project information. Team management, we are going to manage team members very efficiently. So which includes meetings, reports and emails. Next is the monitoring and control. In the monitoring and control, it ensures the project is progressing as planned. Tracks and project performance. It is going to compare planned versus actual process of a particular project, report status and stakeholders. It is going to manage the project's changes. Software project management, it is a systematic approach that integrates planning, execution, monitoring and control. So the goal of the software project management is to deliver the software on time, within the budget and high quality. Thank you.